Hi everyone, welcome back to my quick and easy dinner series where I show you how to make simple recipes for dinner. Today we're making teriyaki salmon rice bowls. You'll start off by making your base. I'm using white rice for this recipe in the rice cooker. You can use any rice you'd like, or quinoa is also a great option for these bowls as well. Set the rice aside and start prepping the rest of your ingredients. While the rice is cooking, mix together 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and a half a teaspoon of salt in a small bowl. Stir that together until completely dissolved, and pour the mixture over the cooked rice. This is going to give the rice a delicious flavor and fluffy texture. I recommend prepping everything in the beginning to help move things along as you're cooking. You can use whatever toppings you'd like for these bowls. Today I'm using avocado, cucumber, edamame, and green onion. We'll start by chopping up some green onion. These bowls are so good and can be thrown together in less than 20 minutes. Slice up about half of an English cucumber. Try to keep them all on the cutting board as you're cutting. Slice up an avocado. I usually use about half of an avocado per bowl. You'll start by cutting up your salmon fillets into 1-inch cubes. I personally like to cut the skin off, but you can leave it on if you prefer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. In a skillet over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil, then add the salmon. Make sure they're well spaced to help with browning. Season the salmon with salt to taste. While the salmon's cooking, you can make the teriyaki sauce. Grab a small bowl and mix together 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of ginger, a half a teaspoon of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha. And if you don't like the flavor or spice of sriracha, just leave it out. Stir that all together until well mixed, and set that aside until the salmon's cooked. Be careful when flipping the salmon as it will break easily. Cook the salmon until brown on each side. Once the salmon's cooked, pour in the teriyaki sauce and toss to coat the salmon bites evenly. These teriyaki salmon bowls turn out so good every time. Now we're ready to build the bowls. Add your rice base to a bowl. What are your favorite salmon bowl toppings? Let me know in the comments below. Top with the salmon and your favorite toppings. Edamame. Avocado. Cucumber. And green onion. Broccoli, carrots, and snow peas are all really good options as well. And I like to top it off with either toasted sesame seeds or everything bagel seasoning. Let me know in the comments if you give it a try.